Well, the snakes are coming out. That means it's starting to get warm. Good time to change the fan clutch on my Jeep. First, we'll have to get the fan shroud out of the way. Next, we'll drain the coolant from the radiator so we can remove it. Now remove the upper and lower hoses. Now we'll unbolt the radiator. Now we should be able to lift it straight out. Now we can get the fan shroud out of the way. Now it's just a matter of unbolting the fan from the flange. Now unbolt the fan from the fan clutch. Now we'll install the new one and bolt it in. Now it's time to reinstall the fan assembly. Now that that's on, we can put the fan shroud back in place. Now we can reinstall the radiator. Now we can reinstall the hoses. I got some new ones. we can add some coolant. Now we can fire it up, take it for a test drive, and check for leaks.